welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the unboxing of my November Planner Society box. I've been waiting for this for a really long time. I'm so excited. This is actually my last box for the year of 2020, and then we're moving right along into our new year. So normally during the last box of the year, Christy tends to send like a slightly bigger gift. So this year I believe there's a TN inside, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it. I'm trying to open the box. I probably should just grab my scissors, but I think I got it. And this is the November box. There was a delay in shipping, and that's why we got it so late. But mine actually came maybe, I want to say late last week. And this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I love the bag. Here is my sticker box kit. And in case you don't know, the Planner Society is like a planner subscription where you get paper, stickers, die cuts, pens, and all kinds of other fun goodies. So it's definitely worth it. And now she lowered the price for next year. So I think the box is actually $29 if I'm not mistaken. But go check her out on Instagram and get all the details there. I'll have the Instagram handle down below and the link to the website down below as well, but I'm not affiliated with them. I simply purchased the box because I love it and it works for me. So she is lowering the price to the main kit itself. Everything else I believe is staying the same, but she is taking some things out. So I was like, well, I don't know if I like that. I'd rather pay what I'm paying and still get everything I'm getting. So there's a few things that she's no longer going to be sending. I think like the edgers, because a lot of people have been buying them separately and they've kind of been a big hit. But I'm like, well, I hope she still sends the page markers and just, I don't know, everything else that I really love about it. So we'll see what the difference is, but you know, it is a little less money, so I guess it's good for the bank. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out. The bag is so pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna start with the sticker box kit. I'm still gonna stay subscribed to the sticker box kit because I did check and they actually fit my classic Happy Planner, which is awesome. So I'm still gonna be able to get some use out of them. This bag is so pretty. And so this is the sticker kit for this. So here we have the check boxes, or the checklist. And then we have the half boxes with the quarter boxes and the washi. And then we have the decorative. So cute. And then some more half boxes with quarter boxes. Oh, I think they sent me doubles. Yeah, they sent me doubles of this one. They didn't send me the decorative one. Oops. Oh well, it's okay. I'm sure I can find a way to use them. But that's the kit itself. Super pretty. I love that. And then here we have our monthly kit. Oh my goodness. Let's just start with what we have at the top. This is the washi tape right here. And it's the same print as the bag. So it's super cute. And then here we have the paper clip and the charm, which is like a velvet lavender. Look at how pretty that is. The packaging, I never throw it out. And then that's the charm. Super cute. It has like a little star. And then that's the paper clip. And then here we have the adhesive pockets. She did say that she's going to be alternating some things. So we'll see what the next year looks like. And she's also bringing some kits back. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of like to have new kits. But these are the adhesive pockets. Super pretty. When she first said she was taking stuff out and lowering the price, I had a fit. I was like, no, why? I was so upset. I was like, I'd rather pay what I'm paying and get everything. So that's the backing for that. And here are the decorative cards. Look at how cute these are. Homebody, that's so cute. That's a planner. So cute. And then here we have the die. Oh, I was like, well, at least she's not taking out the die cuts, because I love the die cuts. And these are a good size for my new planner too. I can always incorporate these with some stickers and the paper. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much fun. So here we have some more, some greenery, the pink cocoa mug. Here we have this one. Trying to stay in focus here. Oh, that's so cute. This is like a little globe, the candle. So pretty. The baby fox. And here we have some more. The planner and the house. Super cute. I love that. Alright, and then next we have this. Oh, I think she said she's also changing up the sticky notepad. So you'll either get a memo pad or a sticky notepad, which is, it's alright. Here's the ribbon that it comes with. Really pretty color. So here's this little sticky note set. And then this one. This is actually a really good size. Oh, I love this one. That's super pretty. And then here we have the pen. That's what the pen looks like. Super cute. And then here we have some more of the decorative cards. Super cute. She's done these before in the pink and silver. Really pretty with different girls. That one's really beautiful. And then we have these. So those are super fun. And then we have the word toppers. Yay! I was like, please don't take out the word toppers because I use those. Maybe that's why she wants to do it. Just kidding. Alright. So here we have the rose gold. Look at how cute those are. Month, week, notes list. And then we have the decorative set. Oh, she did say that she wouldn't be doing as many. I think they're going to be a lot less now. But look at how cute these are. I love those. Super pretty. Alright, and then we have the smaller size decorative stickers. Look at how cute this bag is. Here we have these. These are so cute. I love those. And then we have the words and the deco. Super cute. And then here we have the tabs and the tab words. So here are the sticker tabs for your dividers. These are really pretty. I really like each of these prints. And then here's the paper, or the stickers to label, and these are in a rose gold pink. And then that's the backing. Alright, and then we have a set of the sticker bow tabs. Those are really beautiful. And these are the ones that she's no longer going to include because she sells them separate, and she says that she already sells them for a really good price. So here we have this set. And then here we have this set. Really pretty. I really like those. Here we have the puffy stickers in a gold. So cute. And then this time she sent a planner and some insert books. This is supposed to be a pocket size. And these are the inserts. Look at how cute these are. I love the print. So we have this little book right here, and this is the weekly. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to figure out how to use this. And then this is my list. So cute. And then this one is notes. Absolutely love the books. Super, super cute. And then here is the cover, which is like a clear see-through jelly cover. Oh my god, it's so pretty. From the looks of the picture that she posted, or the video, I thought it was going to be more like plasticky, like flimsy. But this is actually that nice thick plastic, so I love it. So that's what it looks like. So just to open it, it has like the little stars. And it smells good. And it has the clear elastic band, or the white elastic band. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. But little note. You can always change out the elastic band to match whatever little planner theme you have going on, so don't feel like you have to stick to this. This is really easy to change out. But look at how cute this is. So then you just insert the books in here, just like that. These books are so cute. I love them. I'm obsessed. And then, is it this way? This way. This is the weekly. And that's what they look like. That is so cute. It's a little big, so I'm gonna have to tighten it. And then lastly, we have the paper. So here we have this print. Oh, that one's gorgeous. Look at how cute that would look in there. Oh, so pretty. And then we have this set. So it's 2 of them. We have the lace paper. This one, oh, this one, somebody put a pen mark on there. Super cute. And then we have acetate with the rose gold flowers. And then we have another acetate with the purple flowers. Look at how pretty that is. Then we have the lavender vellum with the plaid. We have this beautiful floral. Oh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. And then we have this plaid with the gray. And then this print. We have another set of that. And then this set. Really pretty. And there you have it. This box actually does feel a little lighter. It feels like it came with a little less, but I love it. It's so cute. Everything is beautiful. Definitely can use it all year round. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to use it yet, but we'll figure it out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely go check out the Planner Society, especially now that they lowered their prices. Go check them out and subscribe quick because I know they will definitely sell out for their subscriptions. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!